Hi guys, today we're looking for some pickup trucks and see if they are on sale. So I think this is platinum, but I don't like white pickup.
Fully loaded, Genie.
Fully loaded.
This is the limit.
Tundra. It has panoramic roof. Oh wow, I like the color.
This is a nice
Do you have sale?
Hello.
Hi! Guys, ite-test drive namin. Kaso, ang taas-taas, hindi ako makasakay, guys. So, ayan. Ito naman ang sunod naming i-test drive. Ito ay platinum, hindi hybrid. Ito yung kanilang mga tindang pickup trucks, iba't ibang kulay. So, ayan po ang price. Actually, namamasyal lang.